In today's video, I'm doing a split color open cup pour. I wanted to use both black and white for my base coat, and then I have some nice earthy tones mixed up. I have a really light beige, a yellow, burnt sienna, and a brown. I have 1 drop of silicone in the black and the white to try and help form cells. And I'm also mixing all of my colors with Floetrol and water. I think this would have turned out nice even without the silicone. Sometimes I just don't like the way that it looks with cells that are created from the silicone oil. I like more of a natural organic look of cells that are just created from Floetrol, but I wanted to try it out and see what it would look like. And I don't use this color palette very much. I don't even know if I've really used burnt sienna other than recently with some of my paintings, but I thought it would be nice to try out something different and see what this would look like. So I'm just starting with putting my black and white down and then using some of my sponge brushes to just make a nice smooth layer for my base coat. And I'm using 2 paper cups to do my open cup pour, and I just cut the bottom off of those cups. I'm just alternating my colors in each of my cups. I just started out with the beige and then the yellow, and then I'm moving on to the sienna and the brown. And I really like the way that sienna looks, so I'm going to use quite a bit of that. And you can see both of my cups are already moving and creating some really awesome cells from those colors coming out of the cup and moving underneath the white and the black paint. If you like this open cup pour, I've done quite a few other ones. You could check out video 417 for my quadruple open cup pour, which turned out really well and had some really beautiful colors. Once I had my colors poured into my open cups, I just moved the cups gently across the canvas to help move out the rest of the paint that were in the cups. From here, I just started gently tilting. I ended up not liking the white area very much, so I tilted out the black quite a bit and then did one more small open cup to add a little bit more in that area. overall, these earthy tones were really nice. I do like the way that it turned out, and next time I may try this without the silicone, but I do like the way that it looks. I did grab my torch and torched just a little bit to try and pop up more cells in the white area, but again, I like the more organic feel of cells that are created and don't necessarily like the way that they look by torching, so I didn't do a lot. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I put out 3 videos a week, so I hope you like what you see, and let me know if you want to see some other techniques.